Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. So I actually got some new taillights for the first gen BRZ. So the tri-bars that I had, I actually sold them last week. Here they are. So let's open it up. Okay, let's put this here. Alright, the moment of truth. I like the packaging. Well and secured. Alright. Here they are. Oh, not bad. It's just a plug and play. So it's going to be an easy install. Damn, brand new. Damn. Sheesh. Woo, look at that. What do you guys think? Damn, that's nice. Let's see the other one. Yo, that's clean. It's brand new. Look at that. Nice and clean. So right now, actually on my BRZ, if you guys go on my Instagram or TikTok, you guys gonna see that my taillights are back on stock. So now that I got this, like I said, it's gonna be an easy install. It's just a plug and play. Let me see. Let me double check. Yep, plug and play. That's how I went with these taillights, because this one has that white strip and then chrome inside. It's gonna match the wheels.
The next day.
So here they are. So you guys can see I have my stock taillights right now. So yeah, let's get this installed. This is how it's gonna look. Let's see if it works. Yep. You can't really see it because it's daytime, but you see it works. All done. Let's see if the left taillight is also working. Let me see the other side. Yep, it's working. Let's just start it up. If it works. Yo. I don't know if you guys can see it, but damn, that's clean. Look at that. Woohoo! Sheesh. Damn. So what do you guys like better, the tri-bars or this one? Comment down below. The chrome and the white with my wheels. Sheesh. That's clean.